Good morning, gentlemen. Today my topic is UPI. So whenever we hear the word UPI, the first thing that comes to our mind is PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, etc. UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. In 2009, RBI, to unify the payment interface of India, launched NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India. In 2010, RBI saw that every Indian make only 6 non-cash transactions, whereas retailers, about 10 million, are ready to accept the card-based transaction. So in 2012, RBI released a vision statement in which it promised to form a safe, accessible, affordable interface and a payment system. So in 2016, NPCI launched UPI. Under 21 banks, Green Initiative paperless transition. After the launch of UPI, it has completely changed our day-to-day life. From a businessman to a vendor, everyone is using UPI. We have at least a little or no cash in our pocket thanks to UPI. UPI has completely revolutionized our cash transaction system. Now, I will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of UPI. The advantages of UPI is that it is a very fast method of transfer. It doesn't require any bank receiver or sender's detail. We can transfer money only through scanner or mobile number. After that, it is a quite secure way of transfer. It is secured by the screen lock, pattern lock, and fingerprint lock, and many other security. And the third is that it has a user-friendly interface. Due to its user-friendly interface, it is able to cater many population in India. Now I will be discussing the disadvantages of UPI. The major disadvantage is internet connectivity. India doesn't have internet in many places of it, and there you cannot use UPI. And Elon Musk in its recent tweet said that anything is hackable. That's why there is a threat of cyber security going on with UPI. And recently it is seen that there is a scanner-based scam in which viruses are injected in the scanner itself. So it is quite a threat to the banker's account. Recent developments are as follows. UPI is not only used in India, but 7 other countries other than India. Those 7 countries are Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Mauritius, Singapore, UAE and France. And according to Project Nexus, RBI is collaborating with Asian countries to transfer UPI to them. At last, I want to say that UPI helped India to gain it is our vision of digital India. Many developing countries are copying India's UPI model, so it is a proud moment for us. That's why the thing we need to do is to spread UPI even to the one who don't know how to use UPI. For example, old peoples, so that they will also enjoy the benefits of UPI. Thank you.